What are these little rust speckles all over my brand new car? Rail dust. What is rail dust? Rail dust is little tiny pieces of metal in the air that come from railroad tracks and trains passing over them. Those little pieces of metal land on your paint and cause these little rust spots. We're going to show you a real easy way. You may be able to take care of that yourself. This is rail dust. What you need is some vehicle clay bar and some spray wax. We're going to spray the area, take our vehicle clay bar, and rub this over that area. Wipe this clean with a microfiber towel, and it's gone. Rail dust. Real simple to take care of. Have any questions? Please leave them in the comments below. We'll talk to you later.